There were a couple of items in my 1947 Dodge here that I've been wanting to fix for a long time and finally got around to it. We fixed, or at least my friend fixed in the garage, the knob here on the gear lever. It was loose, and he put a new shaft in, screwed a new shaft to the end, and then another shaft on the inside of this wooden knob, and now it's as solid as anything. The other item that was a bit of a problem was one of these original switch knobs, and it was the one for the lights here, which isn't there at the moment. And these are old sort of plastic or Bakelite switches which are original, and this one used to come off when you try and pull the lights, because you have to pull it like this to get the lights to go on. So he's made some adapter and some way of putting a little screw through it without damaging it, and I'm now going to take the car to the garage for my friend Ben to fix it. So we'll have a look. I'll just start it up. So we pull the choke out, and that was the choke, and then we put the ignition on. Oh, the blower's going, and over here we have the starter button. Lovely. Oh, that noise is the blower just screeching for a second. It'll stop in a second. Anyway, we're off to the garage.
See that? Drill that little hole in there.
Oh yeah.
That grub screw come out of your knob. You get knob.
My knob. I'm always having problems with my knob.
So I used that grub screw, and I thought, what thread is it? I had to get a magnifying glass out to find out whether you can't see it.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll try that.
All right.
What I want to do, I want to see if we can mark it, and then right there. Let's have a look at that.
The thing about these old cars, you can do some very high-tech work.
Yep. On a good day.
Yeah.
Right.
We complied with all the health and safety issues.
What's that? That's it.
Fantastic.
If you ever want anything like that done, I'm going to give you a shout.
Yeah.